Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. In our previous video, we had already completed first part of sixth question. Now today we will start from second part. That is, we have to write the numbers into international system of numeration. Let's start with the second one. Question 6, second part, that is international system. First one is, that is Assamese. That is 13,79,798. We have to write in the international system of numeration. That is 13,79,000 9,780. Now move to the next one, that is Bengali. Second one is Bengali. Again, we have to write in the international system of numeration. That is 69,595,783. Again, we have to write in the international system. That is 69,595,783. Thousand 95,783. 783. Students, you have to do these questions in your maths notebook. Okay, if you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the next part, that is Gujarati and Hindi. Okay, move to the next part. That is third part, that is Gujarati. Again 40,673,814. Now again we have to write in the international number system. That is 40,600,000 73,000 . 800 814. Okay, last one is that is Hindi. Fourth one is Hindi. That is 332,224. Again, we have to write in the international numeration system. That is 337,000,000 200 72,000 72,224. 24. So students, you have to do this parts in your maths notebook. If you want to take screenshot, you can take, then we will move to the next part. That is question number 7. Next question is the find the difference between the place value and the face value of 3 in the following question. Students, that is 3,798. We have to tell the place value and face value. Place value of 3 is 1, 10, 100,000. That is 3,000. And the what is the place value of 3? That is 3. So again we will move to the next question, that is question number 7. Question number 7, first part. You have to write the question from your book. First part, that is 3,798. First we have to write the place value and then face value. Place value, that is 3,000. And what is the face value? That is 3. We have to do subtraction. 3,000 minus 3. We will take carry. That is 10 minus 3, that is 7. 9, 9, 2. तो हमारा आंसर क्या आया? That is 2,997. So you have to write the answer and you have to do the rough work. Okay. Two 997. Okay, so this is your answer. Now move to the next part, that is second. 41,000 ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. That is 4,19,371. Again we have to write the place value and face value. that is we have to tell the place value of 3, that is 300, and the face value, that is 3 minus 3, that is 297. Okay, you have to do these parts in your maths notebook. Now we will move to the next part, that is third. Again we have to tell the place value and face value. Again we have to tell the place value of 3, that is 30. 30 minus 3, that is 27. Okay, now move to the next part, that is fourth. Again students, we have to tell the place value of 3, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. We will write here 30,000. And what is the face value? That is 3 minus 3. तुम्हारा आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 29997. Okay, that is the final answer. You have to do all these parts of question 7 in your maths notebook. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. Then we will move to the next question, that is question number 8. Okay, move to the next question, that is question number 8. Write the smallest 6-digit number having 4 different digits. Students, we have to write the smallest 6-digit number having 4 different digits. That is 100, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. That is 1,23,000. Now move to the next question. Write all 3-digit numbers using the digits 3, 4, 6. Taking each digit only once. Students, we have to write 3 digits number. हमको at a time एक ही digits use करनी है, and we have to forming different digits number. That is question number 9. Digits are 3, 4 and 6. We have to write the forming 3 digits number, that is 463, 346, 643. Okay, now move to the next question, that is question number 10. Write the greatest 7-digit number having 3 different digits. Students, we have to write the 7-digit greatest number using 3 different digits. हमें 3 different digits को use करते हुए 7 digit का greatest number लिखना है. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is 99 lakh 99,987. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप देख सकते हैं इसमें 3 डिफरेंट डिजिट्स यूज हुई है, दैट इज 9, 8 एंड 7. नाउ मूव टू दी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इज योर होमवर्क. You have to do yourself. That is a 9-digit number has only 2's in ones period, only 4's in 1000 period and only 1's in the millions period. Write this number in according to the Indian system. Students, This question is given in international system. You have to write in the according to the Indian system. So this is your homework. You have to do yourself. Now move to the next question. That is, write the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number having 4 different digits. Students, we have to write the greatest and smallest number, but जो 4 digits होंगी वो different digits होगी. So let's start with the question number 12. That is, write the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number having 4 different digits. 9876, that is the greatest number. Greatest 4-digit number. Students, question ने क्या बोला है हमको? We have to use different digits. Now next, that is 6789. This is smallest 4-digit number. Question ने हमको क्या बोला है? We have to use the different digits. Now move to the next question. That is question number 13. How many 7 digits number are there in all? We have to write the 7 digits number. That is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is 90 lakh. This is 7-digit number. So students, you have to do all these questions in your maths notebook. That's all for today. Thank you, class.